countries. So what does your territory shape look like?
Hey, bro, look, my territory looks like a cat.
And my territory looks like a cat too.
Whoa, the world map kind of looks like a cat too. So guys, if you love cats, hit like and subscribe.
All right, Gia guy, can you guess who do I look like?
That looks like a pig's butt.
There's even a poop there! Anyways, look at mine. It looks like a dragon.
Guys, now take a look. My territory looks like an elephant.
Now check out my map. It looks like Batman with a fish and a merman.
But what's the fish doing?